Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Well, that's the normally session never end. See, a lot has been going on, a lot of things has been happening, but we are thinking that there is nothing there. But believe you me, there is something more to it. See, finally, everybody has been shouting, complaining, speaking that the federal government of Nigeria should do a favor by releasing Nnamdi Kanu. You guys know that Sunday Igboho has been released. Why is it that they are finding it difficult to release Nnamdi Kanu? This is a lot of questions that people are asking. But if you talk, some people will say you don't know what you are saying. Please don't call the name of Nnamdi Kanu. You are not a Biafra. Come on, let me tell you something. Injustice to one is injustice to all. When you reach Nnamdi Kanu term now, you the sharp man say not concern you. One day, not forget, say monkey go market and not go come back. Tomorrow might be your total. It is better for everybody to start speaking up. After all, we all are seeing everything that is happening. That recently, that was just yesterday, the legal representative to Nnamdi Kanu, they cried that and said that the DSS don't lock door against them. In fact, give them sound warning not to cross the gate again to come and see Nnamdi Kanu. There is more to it, but if they thought, they go say, what do you know? You don't know what you are talking about. But now we know the genuine to what we talk about. So finally, a lot of people has been waiting for the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, to speak and say something, to take action and do something. But all along, if they leave the work for the federal government to do the needful, and if they also leave the work for the lawyers to do what they're supposed to do. But it can't happen say now, say the matter don't already pass the lawyer hand. What happened? The Biafra Prime Minister already raised alarm, say he don't give the federal government of Nigeria 72 ultimatum to release Nnamdi Kanu. They say that or else, hey, all the courts that is in Biafra land, all the courts, they are going to be shut down. See, I don't really want to talk too much. We are going to hear from the horses, but then I'll be right back.
If the Nigeria state, if they refuse to return Biafrans within 72 hours, which elapsed on Sunday, and then after Sunday, and Nnamdi Kanu is still in Abuja and have not been returned in Biafra land and in Biafra territory, where they claim he's fighting for Biafra, and that is the jurisdiction, if there's any crime at all. If Nnamdi Kanu is not returned to the southeast between now and the Sunday, then on the 29th of October, which is Wednesday, we will lock down the entire federal court in the entire territory of Biafra. We will lock down the entire Court of Appeal under the Nigerian federal government in Biafra land. We will lock down the entire Court of Appeal in Enugu, Oka, Owerri. We will lock down the entire Federal High Court in the entire Biafra territory. We will lock down the entire National Industrial Court in the entire territory until further notice. And what it means is that if you go there,
so my beloved family, you are seeing the way everything is going right now, that the Biafra Prime Minister, which is the person of Simon Ekpa, passed the degree, that he is raising a motion saying that the Nigeria government should release Nnamdi Kanu ultimatum of 72 hours. If not, all their law court, all their house of assembly, any factory, anything whatsoever that is in Biafra territory, there is going to be total lockdown. What is the way they use the court? They do when they know they release Nnamdi Kanu, they don't bring him to court, nothing. The last one where we see the way the lawyer talk the matter, it shocked everybody. So who is supporting this motion? I want to see your comment in the comment section. If not true, say you support the motion, say of a truth make it shut down all the shuttable for inside Biafra land. May you also raise them up for this comment section. Knowing fully well that recently a lot of people raised up their body, their voice, everything that they got to ask the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu, that they are tired, that their business is at stake, that the Monday sit at home is bringing something different to them. They like the energy, they like the vibe. Say every Monday they are always in their houses because of what they want Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Recently also we watched a video where a man is lamenting, saying that they have hijacked the sit at home. A lot of boys, they use the sit at home, nothing they do 1 2 1 3, you dey damn me, when be say e no dey right for them to do. Now everybody now to your tent, to Israel, crying for the release of Nnamdi Kanu, because they believe that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, oh my goodness, a lot of things is going to change. Why some people believe that if Nnamdi Kanu is released, the Biafra Prime Minister, which person Simon Ekpa, go kwele for one corner, that they will not even be hearing of him. I see that a lot of people want Nnamdi Kanu to be released to see what will be of Simon Ekpa. Now there I thought so. Now they forget say Owazirike. When they released Owazirike, what happened? He was unable to lay his voice to speak the way he used to speak before. True. A lot of people really want Nnamdi Kanu to be released because they are tired of them everything sit at home. They are tired of them everything locked down. They are tired of them everything that is not working. And a lot of them believe that those people that hijack the sit at home, those people that hijack the Biafra, using Biafra and they collect kuli for inside Biafra land, say all of them now go suburb, all of them now go, they go catch all of them. All of them now go feel they made the way they made before. But there's one video that I want to show to you. One of our brother that just raised alarm. It is a concern that everybody needs to put into consideration. True. Simon Ekpa was once a Nigerian. Nnamdi Kanu was once a Nigerian. These people, they believe in one Nigeria. Time without number, they raise their voice. They also carry the microphone, shouting for one Nigeria, that the federal government should change things. But have you asked yourself, why suddenly these people that were preaching for one Nigeria, they later turn around again, speaking they need their own Biafra nation? I don't really want to talk too much. Listen to this little clip and understand something. And I'll be right back.
But when did someone appear in the scene? Someone was the Igbo Union chairman in Finland. He warned anybody that bring a Biafran flag to his meeting. He sent you to police to arrest you if you come to his meeting with flag. But today someone is carrying Biafra issue on his head. Why not can we not ask him question? Nnamdi Kanu that is in prison because of Biafra. In 2010 or 11, Nnamdi Kanu was on the street of London canvassing for Nigerian betterment. But Nnamdi Kanu pulled out and he was part of APGA. What happened that Nnamdi Kanu today is preaching about a disintegration of Nigeria? So when we say what and then our brother go ahead and say, our brother here said also that whenever something happened in Nigeria, they want to twist it to the Igbo problem. Other than they keep the border, they burn our shop. Election came and gone, they burn our shop. Whatever that happened in Afghanistan, because of Muslims, they kill us.
That is what I said now. I said, do you consider the reason why the Biafra Prime Minister is no longer interested in one Nigeria? My people, now something like they make person they change. 3 things happened and we need to digest, or we need to bring out those things that really make the Biafra Prime Minister to stop one Nigeria and start preaching for Biafra. These are things that we need to put all these things into consideration and see the reason why people change overnight. Not be so you go sit down for your house, they rub your mouth, they damn your damn, they talk your talk. Everybody can talk, everybody have the spirit to speak. The only thing that is inevitable is change. When the change will come, so you yourself, you will not even know how, when, where that the change occur. The only thing that is constant in this life is change. So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only progressive analyst as I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you and bye bye.